If you don't know the components of what you're selling, how the hell can you sell it? How many amps can I have an electrical panel be? 100, 200, 150, 60. Minimal, 100. When you see 60, typically has to be replaced.
Where would you see that?
Where Jenny's finger is, it tells you. Just open it and be like, oh, 100 amps, done. That top breaker is gonna be your main breaker.
So this is 200.
200 is more than enough. New construction has 200. Anything existing is gonna have 100. Now the dad's gonna come in and the dad's gonna say, well, it should be 200. Not true. All houses prior to 2000s, for the most part, were 100 amp circuit breakers. That's okay. 100 is normal. Most of these houses are fine with 100. When you have 200, it's an upgraded panel. Let's say it's fuses, or let's say it's 60 amps. How much do you think it costs to replace that? Put a brand new panel in from soup to nuts. You're paying 1,000, you're fine.